Here comes Dino, big and bright, marching through the morning light. He finds a red circle on the ground. Roar, he says it's nice and round. Shapes and come and see, learning's fun for you and me. Next comes a blue square, oh so neat. Dino taps it with his feet. It has 4 sides all the same. Let's all shout its shape and name. Shapes and colors, come and see. Sing along so happily. A green triangle, pointy and tall. Dino spots it near a wall. 3 sharp corners, 3 straight lines. He stomps and claps in Dino times. Shapes and colors, come and see. Dino fun for you and me. A purple oval rolls so fast. Dino giggles as it goes past. It's like an egg, he gives a cheer. Let's all clap and shout, it's here. Shake and come and see, jump and dance with leaves, oh glee. Circles, squares, triangles too. Red, green, purple, and blue. Dino loves to learn and play with shapes and colors every day. Come back soon, we'll learn some more. With Dino shapes, there's fun in store.